Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Ahmed. I'm very happy to have you here today. In this episode, we are going to talk about something simple and useful, my daily routine. So listen carefully, relax, and try to repeat some of the sentences after me. Let's begin. I usually wake up at around 7:30 in the morning. I'm not really a morning person, so sometimes I stay in bed for a few extra minutes. When I finally get up, I open the window and get some fresh air. Then I make my bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a quick look at myself in the mirror. After that, I go to the kitchen. I usually have a simple breakfast. I like bread, cheese, eggs, and sometimes fruit. And of course, I love having a cup of tea in the morning. I don't always have a big breakfast because I don't like feeling too full when I start my day. While I'm having breakfast, I sometimes talk with my family. We talk about our plans for the day, and sometimes we just laugh and enjoy our time together. After breakfast, I check my phone for a few minutes. I read my messages, check my emails, and look at my plans for the day. But I try not to spend too much time on my phone because I don't want to waste my morning. Then I take a shower and get dressed. I choose my clothes and prepare everything I need before leaving home. When I'm ready, I say goodbye to my family and leave the house. I usually go to work by car because it is comfortable and saves time. My workplace is not very far from my home. It usually takes me about 15 minutes to get there. When I arrive, I open the door, put my things on the desk, and get ready to start my work. Before I begin, I like to make a simple plan. I write down the most important things I need to do. This helps me stay organized and focused. Then I turn on my computer and check my emails. Sometimes there are many emails waiting for me, so I try to answer the important ones first. After that, I start working on my daily tasks. I usually work for several hours, but I also take short breaks. During my break, I like to stand up, walk around a little, or drink some water. Sometimes I listen to music while I work. I enjoy different kinds of music, especially pop and relaxing music. Around lunchtime, I stop working and have my lunch. Sometimes I bring food from home, and sometimes I order something from a nearby restaurant. I don't like eating a very heavy lunch because I still have a lot of work to do. After lunch, I drink a cup of coffee. I usually don't drink coffee early in the morning. I prefer having coffee in the afternoon. And sometimes I have a small piece of chocolate with it. It makes my coffee time even better. After my break, I go back to work. In the afternoon, I usually have some creative work to do. For example, I may prepare an English lesson, write a script, or record a video. I really enjoy making English learning content because I love helping people improve their English. Sometimes recording a video takes a lot of time. I may make a mistake, stop, and start again. But that's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. When my work is finished, I check my plan again and make sure I have completed the most important tasks. Then I clean my desk, turn off my computer, and get ready to go home. I close the door and say goodbye to my workplace. When I arrive home, I feel relaxed. One of my favorite things is spending time with my family in the evening. Sometimes we sit together and drink tea. Sometimes we talk about our day. And sometimes we simply sit quietly and enjoy the evening. After that, I have dinner. Then I usually have some free time. I might watch a video, listen to music, read a book, or work on something I enjoy. I also like thinking about my future. I have many dreams and goals. I want to learn new things, improve myself, and become better every day. I believe that small steps can make a big difference. We don't need to change everything in one day. We just need to keep moving forward. Before I go to sleep, I prepare my clothes for the next morning. Then I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. After that, I turn off my phone and spend a few quiet minutes thinking about my day. I ask myself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? And what is one small thing I can do to get closer to my goals? Then I get into bed and read a few pages of a book. I really enjoy reading because books can teach us new ideas and help us see life differently. Finally, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and go to sleep. And that's my daily routine. My routine may not be perfect, but I try to make every day useful. I believe that every new day is a new opportunity. An opportunity to learn. An opportunity to improve. And an opportunity to get closer to our dreams. So, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't give up when things are difficult. Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in yourself. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Ahmed. If you enjoyed this slow English podcast, don't forget to follow the channel and like the video. And tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up every day? And what is your favorite part of your daily routine? Write your answer in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye everyone.